Today, I'll be happy to help you prepare a lemon cheesecake. Here is the recipe, with an Italian touch to make it even more delicious. Ingredients: 200 grams of digestive biscuits or other dry biscuits, 100 grams of melted butter, 500 grams of spreadable cheese, 120 grams of sugar, grated zest of 2 lemons, juice of 1 lemon, 3 eggs, 1 sachet of vanillin or vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Start by grinding the biscuits in a mixer until you get a fine flour. Mix the ground biscuits with the melted butter until the mixture is smooth. Line a spring-form pan with parchment paper and pour in the biscuit mixture, pressing well on the bottom to create a compact base. Leave to cool in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, in a bowl, mix the spreadable cheese with the sugar, lemon zest, and juice until you get a smooth, lump-free cream. Add the eggs one at a time, continuing to mix, then incorporate the vanillin and the pinch of salt. Pour the cheese mixture onto the cooled biscuit base and level the surface. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 60 minutes, or until the cheesecake surface feels firm to the touch, but still slightly wobbly in the center. Turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside with the door slightly open to avoid thermal shocks that might cause cracks on the surface. Once completely cooled, place the cheesecake in the fridge for at least 4 hours before serving, preferably overnight. Once ready, your lemon cheesecake will be perfect to share and enjoy. Bon appétit! To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to visit our website. Cheesecake is a dessert with very ancient origins, dating back to pre-Roman Greece, but it found its modern form in the United States, especially in New York. The lemon variant is perfect for those who love fresh and citrusy flavors. The grated lemon zest will give the dessert an intense aroma and a touch of color.